Hello, and welcome to week 5. Everybody should have taken the test by now. I will be starting to grade those tomorrow, Tuesday. So I will imagine that I'll have those done over the weekend. What I'll do is, when I'm done, just kind of like your textbook stuff, I will scan them and put them in your Google Drive folder once I have them graded. This week, we're starting in on techniques of integration. And that's going to be the next couple of weeks. These sections from Chapter 8, there's really 2 things you should focus on. One is understanding the technique, but 2, you should also be thinking about when do I use a particular technique. So when it comes time for the next exam, you not only know how to do the techniques, but when you're given a random integral, you know how to kind of go through a decision tree, if you will, of questions you ask yourself that leads you to the proper technique to use. So what I recommend is, besides your notes, maybe in the back of your notes, be keeping your thoughts on each technique as far as how you're going to identify it. That'll give you something to refer to when it comes time to study for the next exam. I think that's all I have. Make sure with the My Math Lab homework, you're working for 100% on that, and that you're taking time to read and thoughtfully answer the discussion questions. This week's discussion question is kind of a softball. It relates to this idea of thinking about how you're going to identify integration by parts when you see it. So hope everything's going well for you. Just let me know if there's any issues. I had a few people contact me about the policy on replacing tests. If you look in the syllabus, your final exam will replace all lower exams. So if you didn't take the test this week, you'll get a 0 on it, but that test will get replaced by whatever you get on the final exam. And as always, just let me know if you have any questions or I can help you out in any way. Otherwise, I'll just talk to you in a week.